Greetings. This is Tony Wicks, founder and creator of drwickdaddy.com, coming to you with a new money alert for the Tron wallet. Guys, I cannot put this any more simply. All you need to do is click on the link for the Tron wallet. Not only is it free of charge, but once you set this wallet up, you're going to start accumulating Tron cryptocurrency as well as USDT, which is Tether. Okay? And you're going to be accumulating it on the Tron network, which means it's going to be way cheaper to send currency from wallet to wallet because the Tron network has ridiculously low fees in comparison to the Ethereum network, which is ERC20. When you send Tether on the TRC20 network, that's on the Tron blockchain, it is so much less expensive. So guys, do me a favor, go to cash.drwickdaddy.com and you're going to set up this wallet. And once you do that, guys, it's going to be so simple for you to receive Tether, accumulate Tether, and accumulate Tron cryptocurrency. That will allow you to not only build up the money you need in cryptocurrency to set up your Hyperverse account, but you can also set up your Tron Vault account. So basically, once you set up step number 8, that's going to give you access to start building cryptocurrency that you need to join step 9 and 10. I can't put it any simpler than that, guys. Take the time, takes a couple minutes, set up the wallet, click on the link on step 8, and get yourself set up. Ultimately, you want to complete all 10 steps, but this video is just to let you know about the TronLink Pro Wallet. It's a powerful wallet, guys, and you will get notifications of your deposits on your device. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment. If you have a question, leave a comment. But we want you to consider liking the video and, most importantly, subscribing and clicking the bell so that you can be notified when new content is uploaded. I'm going to sign off for now. It's been a while since we've gotten these videos cranking again, so there's going to be a bunch of new content because we got backed up. We got notifications that are just really backed up that we need to make you aware of. All right? So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.